Let me share the resources that I think are really great and free resources. And you can, I think that these are the best resources you can find on internet.
Yeah.
So, and all of those are free. So just watch this. Let me share my screen. So my screen is getting shared now. I think, yeah.
Yeah, it's visible. I'll remove myself from stage. Let me know like when you want me up.
No, you can say, you can say.
Okay.
So first one is Udacity. So you can just go through this URL. I will provide each of the URL in the description after the stream. You can just come back to this video and you will find all of this. So you can just open the program in Uda. You can just open the Udacity program catalog. This is the URL, and here you will see that a lot of things are not free. So what you will do is just turn on this filter free, and now you can find all of the resources. And Udacity is education platform of Google. So you will find all of the great resources. I think most best resources in the internet. And if you want live like video content, you can just go through this. And here you will find intro to data science and all. You can just filter out with topics like I want to study Android. मुझे study Android पढ़ना है. So introduction to TF Lite free. How to install Android Studio, multi-screen apps. You will find lot of content here. And if you want to not want to filter it by topics, you want to filter it by field. I mean, if you are an Android developer and you want to see content related to that manner, let's say I'm a product manager and now I want to see um, things related to that. I will then choose product management in field, and here you can say rapid prototyping. This is a really important topic. Product design. This uh, shows you how to design products. This is something that I'm following right now or doing the course right now. This is really helps you to build products. App monetization, something that you need to know. A/B testing. This is something, and even interview preparation. You can go through this for your for these free resources for uh, learning new things, and these are the one of the best resources I can share with you. And then here is the GitHub awesome topic. So how you will find this awesome topic? Simply by going through this URL github.com topics awesome. Or you can do is or just just um, just search awesome in all GitHub. After searching awesome, you will see a option. Aditya, can you mute? There is something uh,
Yeah.
sound coming.
Sorry.
So, uh, so after searching awesome, you will see some this kind of something. So then it will suggest you to go through this topic. You just need to click see topic, and now you are in the awesome topic. You can see the descriptions here, and all of this are educational content like awesome Python. If you want to let's say you want to learn Python, I will click to this. A curated list of awesome Python frameworks, libraries, software and resources. Now it is यहाँ पे तुम देख सकते हो कि it is really nicely curated. You can just go through one of this. It has admin panels, servers, audio, build tools, caching. Let's go to uh, let's see the Go one. I didn't like the Python one. So here you can see all of the things that you want to learn: audio, music, authentication, no authentication, blockchain, all of the Go things. And recently something that is really related to our TF Lite community is this. Yeah, this is maintained by my GSOC mentor Margaret, and she is also a ML GDE. So if you want to, let's say you want to learn about TensorFlow Lite, there was another resources in Udacity, and let's say you want to learn more about this. So now you can just go through this. What is new? Models with samples, learning resources. Let's click learning resources. They can You can see all of the blog posts that are available, all of the books that are available, all of the videos. This one is something that I did in Hacktoberfest 2021, and all of the big Google engineers, TensorFlow engineers, you can find their talks here. Here is a Udacity course that they have linked here. You can find all of this, and this is not by any company. It is totally by the community made this. And most of the things that you want to learn in programming, and even not in programming, most of the cases you will find in GitHub. Awesome topic, just go through that. I think most of the people don't talk about this, and this is something that most of the senior engineers follow. So I want you to go through this awesome topic and learn the things that you want, and uh, just don't bound yourself to just one course or one person's suggestions. Learn from the community and be open to uh, see different learning resources. And if you search something like awesome entrepreneur and you don't find that, one thing you can do is you start yourself. So this is what I did. So if you go to my profile, so there was no awesome topic, awesome matlab ki resources, curated resources. There is no um, awesome repository for entrepreneurs or startup related. So I started one. ये बहुत दिन नहीं हुआ, ये शायद 11 दिन ही हुआ, बहुत न्यू है. So I added the topics here. You will also do that, and यहाँ पे मैंने about डाला है. बस एक लाइसेंस ऐड किया कर दिया है, ये अपाची का है शायद. और now there is readme.md, that is the one that where you will add all of the resources. So awesome entrepreneur में मैंने छोटा एक description दिया है. Twitter IDs to follow if you're if you want to be want to learn business, you need to be in your Twitter and follow some great people. Ravikant Nabal, the founder of AngelList. Kunal Shah, founder of Crade. Gary Hi, Gary V. He is one of the greatest social media manager, I will say. Richard Benson, someone who is also working on space related thing. YouTube channels Gary V, Y Combinator, Ankur Adiku, Mark Cuban, Guy Kawasaki. Podcast. This is something really nice. This is by Ali Abdal. Study cases. Most of them are from Think Different YouTube channel, and one is from Cold Fusion TV. Uh, some of them are from Cold Fusion TV, and they also make great study cases. And this is something that I added last night, learning resources and guides. These are the courses you can follow. Let's say you want to know the basics of entrepreneurship, or all of the things that you need to know, the basics. So what I will do is I will click to this link, Startup Winter 2020 by Y Combinator, and then it will take me to the playlist, and then we can do all of the work on there. So that was all. The Udacity program catalog, all of the free ones, filter it by your interest. Then there is the awesome topic that you need to go, and if there is nothing that is already there, If there is something that there is not already there, you build it yourself. And most probably you will find people who will try to help you contribute. And this is something that is open. This information is not just limited to me. It is from for everyone. If I know something wrong, I know something incorrect, as it is already open, someone can just raise a issue or do a pull request to say, Sunit, I think this can be different. And this is something that you can keep yourself in check, and also share your learning with the community. So that that was it. You can follow this. I think these are the best online resources.